Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can draw the 3D clay painting on the canvas. So let's start. First check the material, what we required. So we need this tracing sheet, okay, canvas, board, and the object what you need to draw, okay, Fevicol, glue, any baby powder, some acrylic paints, paint brushes flat and round, clay, and some tools for the finished look of feather what I am doing today. Okay, so these are the material. So let's start. First I am going to place this pressing paper here down, and then this picture what I decided to draw today. Alright, then I start tracing. Alright, this bird, okay, the rest I will trace all of that, then I will show you what is the next step. Okay, so friends, I finished the tracing of this bird. Now I show you how you can put clay here. Okay, so I have two clay, then I will mix it together. Alright, and then I will join this. Alright, so like this. These are the two clays, one this and one of this. Okay, and then we will just mix it together. Alright, like this, like that you can mix it. It's very easy to mix and just little sticky if you feel, then you will put some powder on your hand and then again mix it. Okay, like this. So I will mix it all, then I will show you. So friends, I will mix this all. Okay, and I place powder and my tools here. So what I've required, just handy. Okay, first of all I will do this round and then just flat. You can use your canvas board as well, and then you will see, just place it here nicely. Do it like this. Just follow the guideline what you draw, the help of your tracing paper, and then just stick it here like this. Okay, but don't press hard because texture look will come. Otherwise if you will do it like pressing like this, so the texture look will not visible that much. So you have to do like this. And for the smooth look I have some water here, so I will do just like that for the smoothing purpose. Okay, so I'm doing like this. Okay, just pressing little bit, not that much, and then take this little bit again and put it here. Okay, so simple, it is not that much difficult. Alright, and then there is a beak here, so you can just do the beak. Okay, and again this line. Alright, I'm doing this much and then just place it like this. Alright, just okay. I hope you can understand and you can see easily. And then take some water and just smooth the surface. Alright, just like that. And with this help of the tool, you can get this impression like this. Okay, I hope you can see easily these impressions. Or look, if you wherever you like the feather is there, you will put the impressions like this, some here, some there, like this. Okay, and with this you make here eye like that. Okay, it's very simple to do. And here also I'm doing just a bit of impression again. So simple. And this I will complete, and the legs. Okay, so friends, now I'm taking this here, this part. Okay, I'm going to cover this part. All right, like this. Okay, like this I'm covering the part of this bird. And then again I'm put some water and just flat like this. Okay, and with the help of this tool I'm making the impressions here. Wherever you like, you will do the impressions. Okay, like this. So very simple and very, very easy to do. Here also take a little bit of this, and then simply like that. Okay, see, now same like that I will do the two birds, and then I will do the leaves and the stem. Okay, it's very easy to do. You can do very, very easily to do the leaves. Like this is the circle. Okay, I will show one leaf in front of you. So it's very easy, just place it here like this. If you feel it's not stick, then you will place the favicol. You put some favicol, it will stick easily like that. And then if you want, the stem is there and here and everywhere. All the picture which I done, I will draw and then I will do it same like that. Then rest I will show you how it will look. So friends, this is the stem part. Alright, and you just place it here like that. Okay, and then take some more and just do it circle motion. Press it here, place it like this. Take some water in your hands and just smooth this area. Alright, here also you create the stem here. Okay, and with the help of this also impression the leaves wherever you draw the leaves. When I will do all of that, the birds and leaves and all, then I will show you the cover picture. Okay friends, I made the 3 birds and the leaves, a little bit of stems, and now I place some more leaves here wherever the stem required and leaves required. I will do in front of you. Alright, just do it like this, and I think it should be look nice here, the stem. Okay, it's just look the 3D effect if you will just turn like that. Okay, like this. And a little bit of cherries. I'm going to show you how you can do the cherries as well here. Okay, some here and up inside. Okay, so I'll finish this part. Now I'm making cherry. Few cherries we will do with the clay, and rest of we will do with the help of painting. Okay, no need to do You need to make all the leaves and the cherries with the clay. Just this part is enough. Put some here and there like that, and some here. This part look empty. Place it wherever you like, and then when we will do start painting, then I will show you how you will paint the cherries as well. Okay, same like that. Wherever I want, I will put this. Okay, so when it will dry, then we will start painting. Now it's completely dry, so I'm going to start the painting. First, I will do the white color, all the stems, leaves and the birds. Okay, I'm taking the flat brush and the white color and do white color of this bird. Okay, the rest of the colors, whatever you like, you can do on your birds. One color, three color or two color, and like this. All the leaves and the stems everywhere. First coating should be white because this brown clay will disappear. Right, friend? This much, and all rest of I will do, and then I will show you how it look. So I completed this white color. Now I'm going to start doing this bird. So in the palette I'm using this lemon yellow, golden and then black. Okay, so I start with this yellow color, right? Here also a little bit of golden. It's look really nice. Alright, we will do the two coating here. First it will dry, then I will do the another coat. Okay, so do it like this, and the golden color also mix it together, same like that, and little bit of here corners, cover corners also. Okay, and then tiny bit of here. That's it. When it will dry, I will do the next two coats here. Okay, one I did and second I will do when it will dry. So now I'm going to take a little bit of black, this black, and mix with little golden and put it here, this side, little bit here and here also, the feather side. Alright, and then take another black, then again mix it with yellow. Okay, and some here, this part, upper portion. Okay, like this, and some like this here. We will do the another coating. Okay, don't worry, it's not going this much. That after that it will finish, we will start doing the impression and all. Just clean the brush and then just mixing the color. Okay, here also mix the color, little bit of golden here, and here also. Now I'm merging the color. It's look really nice when you merge it, all the colors together. Wash your brush and again do it like that. Okay, take the golden color and again do it like this. And right now I'm not doing the detailing, I'm just doing this, the background you can see, with the outer look. Alright, this much you can do, and like that. Okay friends, like this. After it will dry, I will do the another coat. So while our this part is going to dry, I'm going to do this bird. Okay, now I'm taking Persian blue and green and a little bit of red. So I will mix these colors together, little bit of white and this green. Alright, just mix it well and you will got very nice color. Okay, this you will get little more green. That's it. See, very nice and beautiful color you will got. Okay, this much. So let's start here. And here also, down part. All right, very gently. Okay, like this. Don't come here, like that, and lighter tone here. Okay, so now I'm going to mix a little bit of black with this color for the darker tone. Okay. And this part I'm going to do the dark color. Alright, here little bit of dark. This is the first coating. I will do the next when it will completely dry. As I told you that this is the first coating. When it will finish, then I will do the impression and all, the feather impression and everything. But right now I am just doing the covering the bird, actual the base color. This is the base color of the bird. So simple. Right. Then I will do this bird also, and then I will show you how it will look. Okay. So now I am going to add some impressions like feather impressions here with the help of this round brush. Okay, like this, simply like this, like that, and take some color, do it here also. Okay, small dots and lines here and there. look really very nice. And then take a small dot of eye, that this much. Okay, and this peak I'm going to do orange. Okay, I will show you how to do this orange color. So friends, now I'm going to show you how you will do the beak. First you will take the yellow color and then take the orange color and then mix it together. Okay, I hope you can see easily like this. Okay, rest I will do all these birds and then the impression of the feather and beak, then I will show you. So now I finished this birds, so let's start to do. This is stamp. Okay, I'm going to do this stamp. First lemon yellow, so I'm creating the yellow ochre color like this, lemon yellow. Okay, and then take this, then take the brown. Okay, like this. Okay, then we will mix it together. All right, then I will wash the brush and then I will mix it like this. So automatically the color will merge together and its impression is like the shading of the sun is coming here, so that's why it's look really very nice. When it will dry I will do the another coat and rest all I will finish and then I will show you. So after finish the stems, now it's turn to do the leaves. Same like that, the lemon yellow. Okay, I hope you can see easily. Lemon yellow. Alright. Okay, and then clean the brush and do the green color down like that, and then wash the brush and merge the color. All right, like this. Don't worry about the background, then we will color. So if the paint is go there, so it will be fine. Okay, and the shading, the darker shade should be here, like here. Okay, so same like that I will do all the leaves, then I will show you. Now it's time to do these cherries. Okay, really very nice and beautiful cherries are there. Just look amazing. Red color goes very nice in with this green and all. Okay, so this is I do it, and these cherries I also do. Okay, like this. So I will do 2 coating, rest of I will do, then I will show you. So I did all the cherries and the flowers. Now it's time to do the background. Okay, so for the background I'm going to do the light blue color mixed with white and then do it like this. Okay, here. If you feel it's dry, just put water. Circular motion all over the place. Okay, white and blue. Alright. Now I'll finish this blue, then I will show you the other color. So friends, I did this colors here, background, and now I'm doing the final pink color, okay, to the background. All over the place I'm doing. Alright, this pink color. It's looking really very nice. Because the birds are dark color, so background should be the light color. So I'm selecting the lighter tone. Alright. So this will enhance the bird. Okay. Slowly, like this, in a circular motion. Merge the colors, and then the corners we will use small round brush. So this, when I will finish, I will show you. So friends, this is the finished look. I finished all the birds and the background and this leaf and all, and I create little bunch and some leaves, different colors and cherries and little bit of bunches. Okay, so background is light, so that's why the birds is, you can see easily the bird. If you will do the background also dark, so you can't see the bird and all. So see, this is the finished look. Alright, so this is the 3D clay painting. Alright, all the acrylic paint I used in this. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like my video, just share with your family and friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.